What if you could turn your living room into a massive home theater without spending thousands of dollars? Today, we're taking a look at the NexiGo PJ40 Pro, a smart projector that's been gaining attention thanks to its built-in Google TV, full HD resolution, and affordable price. But can it really replace your TV? Let's find out. The NexiGo PJ40 Pro is designed for people who want a simple, all-in-one entertainment system. It features a modern design, multiple connectivity options, and a built-in smart platform, eliminating the need for external streaming devices. One of its biggest highlights is Google TV. Unlike many budget projectors, the PJ40 Pro gives you direct access to popular streaming services, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and Spotify. Everything is organized through a clean and familiar interface, and Google Assistant support makes navigation even easier. For movie lovers, this projector offers a surprisingly immersive experience. When used in a dark room, the large screen instantly creates a cinematic atmosphere, one that most televisions simply cannot match. Watching movies, TV shows, or documentaries feels much more engaging, especially on a display that can reach up to 300 inches. Screen size is one of the biggest advantages of any projector, and the PJ40 Pro delivers exactly what people are looking for. Even at more practical sizes, between 100 and 150 inches, the viewing experience feels dramatically larger than a traditional television. Gaming is also enjoyable on the PJ40 Pro. Casual games, sports titles, racing games, and story-driven adventures all benefit from the huge screen size. While competitive gamers may notice some input lag compared to dedicated gaming monitors, most casual players will find the experience perfectly enjoyable. Sports fans will appreciate the projector as well. Watching football, basketball, or major sporting events on a giant screen creates a much more exciting atmosphere, especially when sharing the experience with friends and family. Audio performance is better than expected. The built-in 20-watt stereo speakers produce clear dialogue and enough volume for small and medium-sized rooms, although a soundbar will always provide a more cinematic experience. Many users won't feel the need for external speakers right away. Of course, no projector is perfect. The PJ40 Pro is rated at 800 ANSI lumens, which is respectable for its class. However, like most projectors in this price range, it performs best in darker environments. During the daytime, image quality is reduced unless curtains are closed or room lighting is controlled. Once the lights go down, the projector really begins to shine. Colors appear richer, contrast improves, and the overall image becomes much more impressive. This is where the PJ40 Pro delivers its best performance and shows why projectors remain such a popular choice for home theater enthusiasts. So, what are the biggest advantages? Built-in Google TV, native Full HD resolution, HDR support, large screen capability, strong built-in speakers, and excellent value for money. On the downside, daylight performance is limited. Fan noise can occasionally be noticeable, and competitive gamers may prefer a display with lower input lag. Overall, the NexiGo PJ40 Pro offers a great balance of features, performance, and affordability. It may not compete with premium home theater projectors that cost several times more, but it focuses on delivering the features most people actually need at a much more accessible price if you're looking for a projector. For movies, streaming, sports, and casual gaming, the NexiGo PJ40 Pro is definitely worth considering. For the price, it delivers a viewing experience That feels far bigger than the investment required. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.